This volcano west of Guatemala's capital is one of Central America's most active, and while it seems to have quietened down for now, the danger far from over.
The hike to the top of this volcano takes about 1.5 days, and it is mandatory to go with a guide. For 6 hours we climbed the non-active volcano called Acatenango, which is right next to the active Vulcan de Fuego. As the mountain got steeper, we were in desperate need of a break. I constantly had to adjust my clothes, because it got colder and colder the higher I got. At around 3,600 meters of altitude was our base camp. From there I was able to see and hear Vulcan de Fuego, but I wanted to get closer. The others in my group were too exhausted from the hike or thought it's too dangerous to go any further, so I ended up going alone with the guide. Our goal was to reach Vulcan de Fuego before the sunset. We both were very athletic, so we began to run down the mountain and then up again to the crater. The trail wasn't easy, and halfway there we got surrounded by clouds within seconds. Finally, after hours of hiking, I reached the top of Vulcan de Fuego. The feeling was overwhelming. At this point, I was only 300 meters away from the crater of an active volcano. And yes, it was a bit scary. While the sun went down, I was waiting for the volcano to break out. all the small points are actually burning rocks, and it's unpredictable how far they will fly at the next eruption. As it got a little unsafe, we decided to move. In full darkness, we hiked back to our base camp. While I was sitting there at the bonfire, I felt grateful to be able to witness this nature phenomenon. The next morning we woke up early and hiked to the top of Acatenango, the non-active volcano. The summit is at around 4,000 meters of altitude. There I saw the most beautiful sunrise of my entire life. At the end, we used our last energy to run down the mountain. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video and please leave me a like and a comment. See you next time!